teamwork, working with real life entrepreneurs and kind of witnessing how exciting and yet difficult it is, and reflecting upon your knowledge. I think that has been great.
I think being able to identify and solve a problem and being able to work in these multicultural teams with people who have very different both social and educational backgrounds is a super good skill to have.
I learned a lot about how startups work in general. It was really exciting to work together with new startups and learning what their problem was and how to solve it. And yes, really work with something real, some real problems. It was very beneficial for me to learn a lot about pitching, and that it doesn't have to be perfect in the beginning, but you can work on it and get some knowledge from people maybe knowing more about it than you.